Hey guys, it's Alan from Mad Welds. Today I'll bring to you Flux core welder review of the Simder 140S. This little welding machine can do a flux core with a 0.8 wire and a 1.0 wire, as well as your stick welding. It's extremely small and really lightweight, very portable if you gotta throw it in the trunk of your car or truck, take it anywhere with you. So I've been using this for about the past week, and it's about what it seems to be. It's a small little flux core welder for small little projects, hobbyists. And here's that fancy instruction booklet. That's really not that helpful. But I've been messing around with this for the past week, and it's extremely lightweight, extremely small. The biggest you can fit in this is 2-pound spool. And this is where you want to control your voltage, and this is where you control your amperage. It's sunny out here right now, so that might be a little hard to see. It goes all the way down to 10, all the way up to 137, and I got this hooked up to a 110. It is also compatible with 220, and they also give you the adapter cord to hook it up so you can run 220 as well. Alright, I got this set up for, and we'll try 93 amps. I got it about 2 dashes before the 10 mark on voltage, and I got 1/8 material. I'll do maybe a third of that at this setting and see what it gets. Remember, flux core, if it leaves a slag, you gotta drag. So you want to go in one direction away from the start point. It might be a bit too hot. So we'll try to turn it down maybe to 86. Give it another blow. Alright, moved a little bit faster. Definitely getting some good penetration. As you can see, a lot better than the first weld. I mean, you could get the dime effect, get the right setting. It's like I said, it'd be good for your small projects. Extremely portable. It's not that bad if you're just looking for something to carry around. But if you're looking in for something more heavy duty projects, I would recommend something with more amperage and maybe more options. What I tried to do on this project of mine, this chain, and it just really wasn't penetrating, and it took forever for the wire to actually fill up what I needed to fill up. But hopefully this video was helpful, and if you can, like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll try to bring you some more useful videos in the future. Thank you.